Another quick idea. Uh, a lot of the grass that's growing on the verges in front of people's houses, don't mow it. Just let it grow. Plant some wildflower seeds there and just let it be wildflowers. The bees and insects can live there. Um, but also, unmown grass can absorb a little bit more rain. If you have a very flat and dry lawn and it dries out in the summer, like where I live, although it's stormy today, um, it can get very dry in the summer. But the dry grass doesn't absorb water very well when it does rain. So, like, we've got this big rainstorm at the moment, but the grass is real dry and the water doesn't really sink in because of the soil being far too dry for that to happen. So, if you planted wildflower seeds on the verges, it would provide food for the bees and birds and stuff. It would look pretty. Also, you'd save money on mowing the grass so often. You don't have to mow it so often. You do have to mow it sometimes for fire hazard because, like, if the grass grows long and then dries out, it can easily burn and that can be slightly dangerous. But where I live, the verge of grass has the tar sealed road on one side and a concrete footpath on the other side. So even if the little tiny strip of grass did catch on fire, wouldn't really matter. It's contained from driveway to driveway down the street. There's other places, traffic islands, um, uh, just city parks. Pieces of city parks, don't mow the whole park. Councils, don't mow the whole park. Leave some of it to have patches of long grass, because the long grass provides a habitat and for insects and birds. The long grass can grow seeds and the birds can eat it. The long grass can have flowers growing in it, and the bees and butterflies can live there. There you go. Another quick, easy answer for helping. It saves money on council expenses and it provides a better habitat. It looks prettier. A park that has natural long grass growing in it, it has interesting things: grasshoppers and stick insects and cicadas and what's the other, praying mantises. They live there. If you We used to have all these animals were quite common when I was a kid. You don't see them very much because they just mow too much of the grass all of the time. It never gets long enough to be a habitat for wildlife to live in. And that's a shame and a crime. And it's expensive. It's a waste. That's what I'm saying. Thanks for watching.